Hello, everybody. My name is John Pierce, and today I'd like to present Involved, a social networking app geared towards young adults to help them be the change they want to see in the world. It's such a simple quote, and yet so uneasy to achieve. Here at Involved, our goal is to make that easy for young adults to be the change that they want to see in the world, to pursue their passions and be the change that they want to see for their own futures. And that's just it. Our target audience is young adults. So, high school juniors, sophomores, seniors, especially juniors and seniors who are thinking about their career goals, what they want to do after graduation, and even college students who want to really pursue their interests a bit more. So, Involved is a niche social media network that will help develop the innovators and leaders of tomorrow. So many young adults are interested in helping, but don't know how or who to use their passions along with. And there's so many organizations out there, activist organizations, political organizations, even small businesses that need help and can't find the help they need, even if it's just for volunteers or interns. And there's so many young students out there who could use that experience to help their own learning goals and their professional development needs. So why use Involved? There are other social networking apps that we have access to, but not one that's specifically geared towards people of this age group, being young adults, high school seniors, high school juniors, freshmen, sophomore in college, and who want to up their career and their equitability towards employers, or maybe just make a difference in their free time, right? So one of the biggest takeaways from the 20th Time Project was, finding out how to solve these big issues in the world, right? So it's not something that's always known right away. Even knowing what your passions are, you have to find those. And that's where we here Involved help the student out. We offer developing and mentoring programs to help match a student's needs and intrinsic motivations with different causes, whether it be in education, leadership, management, environmental activism, political activism. There's a short quiz that a student takes that we'll get into later that allows us to match student goals with potential employers or volunteer opportunities. Excuse me. So with that, there's definitely career and academic benefits for students to use by using our app, and it also teaches civic-minded students and how to create more involved citizens. And it's all about building your own Rome. Rome wasn't built in a day, so maybe starting out with something as small as a volunteer aspect really helps you learn what you need to do in the future to have a more equitable job or make you more equitable to an employer. So finding out these things in your potential career field that you enjoy can help you build your own Rome, right? So starting out as a volunteer and then seeing what do I need to do, building a personal learning network and other types of things to make that a little bit more achievable. We also offer workshops and professional development skills right within the app for students to learn. So many things that aren't really taught in school sometimes, but this, or even other social networking apps like LinkedIn. This helps streamline resume building towards our students so they know not just how to make a profile, but how to make it more equitable. That's our theme. Designed to make learning professional development, financial literacy, civic literacy skills a breeze with real-world practice by introducing students to potential employers who meet their motivational needs. App structure is sleek and modern and very simple to use and navigate, taking some of the hardest things away from the learning curve of seeking a position or volunteering. This makes it so much easier. Instead of going out and searching the web for potential groups that kind of meet your needs, this does all the work for you. We work as a middleman between these organizations and the students. Design and function capabilities. We have a beautiful profile creator designed to teach young adults professional and development skills such as resume building and CV letters. We have an engaging startup quiz to help young adults visualize their passions and career interests and match up algorithm for potential employers and organizations and students with similar interests. So it goes beyond just creating a profile where there are employer profiles and potential employee or volunteer profiles. What it does is actually match everybody up. It makes it easier for students to find these opportunities for them, and for employers to find ready volunteers or interns to fill those spots. Not just a profile. Involved isn't just excuse me, isn't just simple profile creation, but creates one where we show you the ins and outs of making a professional profile, right? So for a lot of these students and young adults, this might be their first time creating a virtual profile with the goal of having a potential employer or volunteer organization match them to an open position, right? So we're not only just making it easy to create a profile, but also giving them tips on how to make their profile better and teach them professional development skills with it. We use the evaluator and virtual mentor tool to seamlessly learn resume building and CV tips to build their professional profile up. So a lot of students might learn, okay, you need to make a resume with your skills, but other things aren't taught. Like you want it concise, how to organize your employment, what things you can put on relevant experiences. It shouldn't be more than a page. Tips like that are going to be applied when you use our virtual mentor tool, so they can learn those professional development skills as they go, instead of just being able to attach a resume and not knowing if it's good or not. We also add areas of strength and interest to your profile to teach you to be even more equitable towards your goals and career. And the most important aspect of our app is the algorithm in me. So at the beginning, after you create your initial profile, you take a passions quiz. This is a vital part of linking you between potential volunteer opportunities or organizations that might have similar interests or needs. So you'll be asked on questions of what issues are important to you, what are your career goals, and then getting into more specifics with that to really match what's going to make you passionate about something and find an open position where you can really start to get some real world experience. Our app will be available on web, iOS, Android, and tablets. What activities will students accomplish or complete? So, using this, we can use it as part of a senior capstone or a service graduation requirement for high school or college to help match students who may need that. We can also use it as part of civics, business, economics, or RRP classes to supplement learning goals and build intrinsic motivation. You can use it as part of a 20th Time project. A lot of 20th Time projects need help finding other organizations that have similar interests to help them out or find mentors. And this is a great opportunity to match those students up. And it could also just be used for students who want to put themselves ahead and build college and career readiness and value for areas that might not have these types of classes or opportunities for them. So they can still have access to the app and do that themselves. Thank you guys so much. And if you have any questions, please email me. Hope you have a great day, and I hope you enjoyed my involved application.